doing some more repair work to the wood cabinet. The back of the cabinet here, or the back box would be, which recesses down in this channel here. Come around to the back again. So it sits in there. There's a bolt that locks here and a bolt here and one over there. Well, this thing had water damage, and unfortunately the wood here on both sides, instead of being straight up, it curled out and cracked. So injected glue into the cracks, put some tape over to keep the glue from oozing out. So when I put some clamps on it and reclamp it back together and straighten it out. So, and then I got some over here, a little easier to see. Some wood blocks here, just help apply even pressure, help strain it out. Hopefully that works. Gotta get the new main power cord on here because, not going to be doing much with this. And it's the original cord. Shit's falling down. And it's cracking and going bad, so I got to run it all the ways to the transformer. May have to replace one of the coils here down in the field. Looks like it's gotten a little too hot at some point. Let's see if we could zoom in. The paper casing wrapped around it is pretty much all burned off. The plastic here to help support the delicate wires so they don't... Get my hand out of the way. The plastic here support the delicate wires is cracked. The wires aren't broken, but I'm pretty sure the coil's fried, and it's also not moving. It should be moving because, show you over here. See how this one moves, but this one's not. It's locked in. So I'll have to address that. And then some little mouse got in here, did chew on a couple wires. So I think I found where it goes, because in this loom here, a little hard to see from this angle, there's a broken wire here, so I'm hoping that's the same wire. Length's about right, so that's good. Did find a loose wire floating around, so yeah, not sure what that's about. Now, I'm wondering maybe if it's somehow related to this, because this wire here is not original. All the wiring in here is cloth wrapped. This is plastic, vinyl, whatever that was used. So I'm wondering if this is the wire that goes there, because it's about the right length. But I'm not sure where it actually goes. And I've been looking around online trying to find the electrical schematics for this machine, and I can't find any. So that's no fun. And of course, some frayed wires over here where the cloth wrapping is gone. And of course, over here got chewed on. So I may have to try to trace this down and replace that whole run. There's a good chance it's completely broken. So, what fun. Got some clear lacquer sprayed on the sides here to start locking down the paint. I need to spray several more coats. Got caught up with more yesterday. Let's see. Oh yeah. Did some repair work on the bottom of the play field because the plywood bottom was starting to delaminate, so injected some glue, put some heavy weights, put more glue, let it cure, all that fun stuff. So need to spray I still need to put some coats here on the back and also the very front. Try to lock down the original artwork so it doesn't deteriorate anymore. I want to lock this thing down in time. There'll be more videos to come. I'm hoping maybe by this weekend to have done a power test. So possibly the next video you see will be either the power on or me showing stuff that caught fire. I'm hoping nothing catches fire because I got no electrical schematic and that'd be a pain in the ass to trace and replace. At that point, it might turn into a complete rebuild. I don't want to do that. I don't have the time for it this coming year. Oh, yeah. Speaking of. So, also for Gilly's Arcade at the Wasteland, I have 3 full-size upright cabinets. There'll be some videos on this. I got lucky and got this thing working, but I'm kind of bummed because, it's supposed to be a Neo Geo, and Neo Geos, get that out of the way. Everybody seasick yet? Neo Geos, you can load in, depending on the motherboard they have, multiple cartridges. Well, this is the JAMO board somebody put in. So apparently the original motherboard must have died, or they swapped it to another cabinet or something, I don't know. Now, the other Neo Geo machine I have sitting outside right now, it's tarped because we're getting a little bit of rain here in California. It has the original Neo Geo motherboard, and it's got 2 cartridges loaded in it. So I might swap that over to this one because the cabinet on that one is pretty bad off. I might have to just shit can it. This one I'm planning keeping for myself because the cabinet's in good condition. I do have to do some repairs to the top. Nothing too drastic. The other one's way worse. So there'll be more videos on this to come. And I have took a while. Had to fiddle with some things. I did a power test and I did get this on. It's Metal Slug X. Some memories there. There'll be more later. If you got any comments or thoughts, suggestions, yeah,